Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we were at the Cosmopolitan. This is the Terrace studio. Somebody's walking outside my door, but let's get started. Okay, so I'm standing at the door right now. Flip it, there's the main room. There's a mirror right here. A nice painting. It's like lacquered. It's pretty cool. And then slide in here. The bathtub, and it's actually jetted. So when I come back upstairs tonight, definitely taking a bath. So the bathroom, it's jetted. Towel rack, a little like window, but it's to the other side, you'll see it. And then a giant shower. I have on the robe, the alpha robe, so I have it on because I was well, I was outside, so. But here's the shower. I'm rusty when it comes to this. In the toilet room, just quick, toilet room. And then the vanity, 2 sinks, and there's a dryer in here in the drawer. That's nice. And I'm gonna flip it this way, come out. They have like pocket doors. You can see me. Hi. With pocket doors, so it saves room. The mirror, and you swing this way. And here's the beds. 2 beds. I got 2 beds because my friend we're having a sleepover. So, and this is the window for the bathroom that you saw on the other side. But I got 2 beds because Holly's coming over. I'm actually waiting for her right now. Her plane should be here any minute now. And then we have a TV for the bed, so you can watch TV in bed. And then here's the mini bar area. It's kind of dark over here. Like that light over there doesn't work. Oh yeah, I want to tell you, this light over here doesn't work. Like I tried flipping it on and off, it doesn't work. I'm only staying here for 1 night. So it's not bothering me much, but I hope the plugs work so I could plug in my phone at night. But then they have like this thing, or you could turn off the lights, like relax mode, bedtime, whatever. Phone, stationary, and they have like the stuff talking about COVID, you know. Oh, fresh bed linens, stuff like that. And then in here they have, to connect to the Wi-Fi and to stream and gaming and stuff like that if you want to set up Xbox or whatever. And then a drawer. And then the mini bar area. And this is the, I'm not touching any of that because I don't want to get charged. But fully stocked mini bar. And they have iPad where you could control the air, you know, because it's cold. It's getting cold outside, so you could control the air, the lights, all that stuff on here. See the weather, book, reservations, all that good stuff on there. The ice bucket and ice tray, closet. I have my little duffel bag. I was gonna say calendars. Those aren't calendars. Those are hangers. Ironing board. The robe. I have on a robe right now, so I just took it from here. They actually charge you, if you look, they charge you $125 if you decide to take this robe home. Remember that. It's an expensive robe. But you close it. And then there's another closet right here. This one has a safe in it. They have slippers. I think you could take the slippers home because that makes sense because they're like wrapped up. So after I take my bath, I'm putting on slippers and my robe again and relaxing. But they have slippers, an iron, some shelves. And then over here they have a little tiny desk. I don't even know if this is considered a desk. It's like a console thing they kind of turned into a desk. And my phone is charging. I'm watching Friends on the good night. And then here's the couch area. Barry on the couch, of course. I got Taco Bell for lunch. My computer, because I was just, you know, watching stuff and stuff, and my bag, and then a chair, and then that lamp. I don't think that lamp works either, because I think that's the thing for it, and it's not turning on. So it could be this side of the hotel room, the plugs are out or something, because that lamp doesn't work on this, and that lamp doesn't work on the same side. So it could be that. And then we have the best part, the terrace. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is a terrace. I am on the 55th floor. That's insane. So right here is the Vidara. Right here we have the city rooms. If you get a city room at the Cosmo, that's what you're getting. There's no balconies there. And then in front of us, the Aria. Right there is Park MGM. You see the Luxor, you see Mandalay Bay, New York, New York, right here. And then the Veer Towers are right here. Waldorf Astoria's right there. MGM Grand's right there. And Polo Towers is right there. So all this view. And when I checked in, the lady was like, do you want to upgrade to a fountain view? And I'm like, no. No thanks. But when my mom comes out for her birthday next month, I'm probably gonna do an upgrade for the fountain view, so she could have that view for her birthday. Plus we're staying here longer for her birthday. So but yeah, this is the view. It's so pretty, and today was like the perfect weather. Like, it was perfect. But yeah. Don't go in. Oh my gosh, there was a moth or something. There was a moth trying to come in. But anyway, okay, so there's a couch out here. It's kind of dark, there's no lights out here, but it's a couch out here with the table, and then there's a chair over here with the table, so you can come out and chill and eat or whatever and talk or whatever. But I just want to scan the room, the view one more time, because it's so pretty. And then we are, oh yeah, I'm going to show you, the pool is down there. Like, you can see the blue. I don't want to put my camera over there because I'm scared it will fall, but you can see the pool down there. Oh, one of the pools. It's one of the pools. So let's go back inside and end the video. And this is a little overview of the room. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.